Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. So I'm gonna represent my group to start off this presentation. My name is Muhammad Amrul Fidar bin Shukri.
My name is Muhammad Akil bin Arwa.
My name is Muhammad Ajmi bin Shahrin.
My name is Idris Shafi bin Kajab.
We are from
Project Bera.
So to start things off for the introduction, I'm gonna introduce you to electronic circuit simulation. It uses mathematical model to replicate the behavior of an actual electronic device or circuit. Simulation software allows for modeling or circuit operation and is an invaluable analysis tool. Due to its highly accurate modeling capability, many colleges and universities use this type of software for the teaching of electronics technician and electronics engineering programs. So, simulating a circuit behavior before actually building it can greatly improve design efficiency by making faulty design known as such and providing insight into the behavior of electronic circuit designs. And also, some electronic simulators integrate a schematic editor, a simulation engine, and on-screen waveform display, allowing designers to rapidly modify a simulated circuit and see what effect the change have on the output. Then for the electric circuit, an electrical circuit is a path in which electrons from a voltage or current source flow. The point where those electrons enter an electrical circuit is called the source of electron. The point where the electrons leave an electrical circuit is called the return or earth ground. The exit point is called the return because electrons always end up at the source when they complete the path off an electrical circuit. So as shown in the diagram, after that is electronic circuit. Electronic circuit usually use direct current source. The load of an electric circuit may be as simple as a few resistor, capacitor and a lamp, all connected together to create the flash in a camera, as an example. And so for the important part in our project is the bipolar junction transistor. Is a type of transistor that use both electron and electron holes as charge carrier. BJT use two junctions between two semiconductor types and type and p-type, which are regions in a single crystal of material. So as you can see, the example is in the picture in the slide. After that, we have operational amplifier, or also known as OPMs, are basically a voltage amplifying device designed to be used with components like capacitors and resistors between each in or out terminal. So for the software, we are going to be using three different software. The first one is going to be Easy EDA, and then Multisim, and also LT-Spice. So we can move on to the next presenter.
Today, I will demonstrate how to draw Figure 1 multi-tester circuit and Figure 2 amplifier circuit. First up, for my section, I will be using a LT-Spice software. For my first step is create a new project for each for the Figure 1 and Figure 2. Then search for the component of each circuit for the remainder on there. Such component that unable to search, such as an op-amp component, so it must take a research to get it. After make a connection, take a run and stimulation of each figure by setting the command stop time on 1 millisecond, and for the result each circuit will get two different waveforms.
For the additional guide, how to check Figure 1 and Figure 2 waveform, I will demonstrate that. Figure 1 is drag the red probe to the black probe and it will show the diagram of waveform. For this waveform, it's just a straight waveform because the source are DC. And for the Figure 2, drag V out probe to the ground and for the V in, take V1 to the ground, and we will show the result of the waveform.
Today I am going to present the tutorial to create PCB based on figure 1 and 2 using Easy EDA. Firstly, we need to create a new project in Easy EDA. After that, create the schematic design of the circuit. The component can be found in the library, so just take all the components we need from that library. After that, create the wiring in the schematic circuit. Make sure your wiring is correct so there will be no mistake when creating PCB. Use screw terminal in the library for the power supply and input-output terminal. After that, save the file and click the convert to PCB. Customize the PCB board outline and start design PCB. After that, for designing the PCB, just arrange the component neatly inside the board and click auto rotor. Auto rotor will rotate automatically based on the wiring we made in schematic. After the auto rotating done, create the ground plane and on the top layer and the bottom layer. Insert the unavailable 3D model using 3D model manager. After that, we can show the PCB in 2D and 3D. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nazmi and this is for the simulation. So for the simulation for the figure 1, I will start with figure 1, yeah. So right now if we start this thing, so you can see there is a key A for the keyboard A, and then we see the LED for the number 1 will be light on, the green one. And after that, when I press this S key button, so let's see, we'll see the red will come out and green will turn off. So actually we cannot see in this LED, actually red and green are simultaneously light up. Alright, so that's it for the simulation. Right now we'll go for the figure 2. Hello, and then right now we are turning back on the figure 2 for the simulation. So for the simulation, you can see this wave. If I pause it, sorry, now I will pause it. Now you can see the simulation for the second simulation. So the wave will be amplified for 15 volt, and the first wave is just only 1 volt. So that means this op-amp is generated as a amplifier. You can see on this. Alright, thank you. This is my last. Thank you.